In the first graph, it describes the sales in the Julia fashion. It shows that there was a steady increase between the years 2008 and 2010, having a gradually decrease in the year 2011. And in the second graph, they show us the ages breakdown of readership between the years 2008 and 2011, and we can see that the people that it's in the 25 and 50 years was the people that remain constant with a slight increase in between the all years, and the people over 50 years was the people that decrease in readership, finally having people under 25 years, the people that remain constant.